So this is the last question in the series of assertion and reasoning. Two statements again are given. One statement says phenyl cyclohexyl ether, this is an ether. One side is phenyl, the other side is cyclohexyl group. Phenyl cyclohexyl ether, in order to prepare this compound, we can make use of the reagents, namely sodium phenoxide, sodium salt of phenol, and cyclohexyl bromide. This statement is an acceptable statement. There is no mistake in this statement. Let us look at the second statement. How is it? Normally, the second statement, it comes under the category A when the second statement supports the first statement. It will come in the category B when the second statement is a correct statement, but it does not support the statement 1. In this case, when you look at it, you find the bromo cyclohexane or cyclohexyl bromide, it is given as a secondary halide. By itself statement is correct, but it does not support the statement 1 because it is not the reason for, or it is not the method for the preparation of cyclohexyl phenyl ether. The cyclohexyl phenyl ether is prepared by taking only the phenoxide and not the alkoxide of the aliphatic group. Supposing if you are going to take a procedure, we are going to follow a procedure involving bromobenzene and the sodium derivative of cyclohexyl oxide, this reaction will not proceed. This reaction will not proceed. The reason being, as we have discussed earlier, this is a halogen that is attached to the nucleus, and therefore this compound cannot be obtained by this method. It can be obtained only by this method, not because it is a secondary halide. It is a secondary halide is the right answer, and it's a right statement, but it is not an explanation for the statement 1. In order to prepare the cyclohexyl phenyl ether, we have to start with the phenoxide, which is this, and then any other halide can be prepared. It is not necessary bromide alone is to be prepared. It can be prepared by any other method. So the correct answer for this particular question is actually B. Even though it looks like A, it is not A, it is B.